Congrats on the purchase of your all-new GoGo Elite Traveler 2 4-wheel travel scooter by Pride Mobility. In this video, we will go over the unboxing and assembly. After opening your box, remove all contents from it. Start by connecting the front section of the scooter to the rear section. Next, connect the seat post into the frame of the scooter. Grab your owner's manual package and remove the smaller package and grab one of the larger clevis pins. Insert this pin into the frame of the scooter's post directly through the seat post. Next, raise your steering tiller and insert your battery pack. Install your seat into the seat post. And install your armrests. Now, grab one of the smaller clevis pins and install it through the armrest slots. And tighten down your tightening knob. Repeat this process on the other side. Install your front basket. Grab your key. And you are on your way. For any questions regarding this process, please call AutoMobility Store at 1-800-431-3183.